Right, grade 7 students, I am going to explain the lesson circles, right? We have learned that when you were in grade 6, we learned about circles. Now you know what is circle. Now this is, I have drawn, you can see in the picture, I have drawn a circle, right? The entire, now if you start from here, entire curved line of the figure is called a circle. Right? Okay. Entire curved line of the figure is called the circle. Now, if you can give examples for circular shape objects, you can see bangles, wheels, right? There are so many you can give example. Right. Now, if you want to draw a circle, you can use various objects, circular shape, various object to draw the circular pattern. Right. Now, here you can see circular pattern they have shown in the book. Right. Now, in this figure, this is a circle. They have drawn a circle and marked 3 points and named those points A, B and C. You can see A they have marked on the circle, B you have marked inside the circle and C marked outside the circle. Right, we can draw a circle by using a pair of compasses, right? Okay, now I have drawn several circles. Now I am going to teach you the parts of the circles. Parts of the circles. Now you can see, now if you keep the needle of the instrument, needle of the pair of compasses, you can see that is we call center. Right. Now, from the center, you can draw the line until the circle, that is we call radius. The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Now you can see I have marked A and B. O is the center of the circle. Diameter goes through the center of the circle. You can see this line. Okay, it has gone through the center. Again, parts of the circle. You can see this is the circle. Here the center of the circle. What do you call for this? Center of the circle. Then here the center. I have marked a point A on the circle. Drawn a line from O to A, that is radius. What do you call for that? Radius. If you draw another line like this and you mark here B, that is also you can take as a radius. Then diameter. This is the center. I have marked A and B. This line passes through the center, that is we call diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. Then here another circle. It is, they have drawn the line from one place to another place on the circle. It has not gone through the center, that is we call chord of the circle. Chord. Center, radius, diameter, and the chord. Page 66, exercise 18.1. Draw a circle by keeping a distance of 4 centimeters between the point of the pair of compasses and the pencil point. Now you take a ruler and the pair of compasses. How do you measure? What is the distance they have given? 4 centimeters. You keep the needle on 0 and take 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. Right? That is the radius. By using that, you have to draw a circle. Right. Now I have taken this circle. The radius is 4 centimeters. The center will be O. I will mark that as A. So this is the distance from here to here. That is radius is 4 centimeters. Right. Okay. Now question number 2. You can do for homework. Mark the point O on the clean sheet of paper. Keep the point of the pair of compasses on the point O and draw 3 circles by changing the distance between the point of pair of compasses. Now you can take 3 different distance, right? 3 different distance. Now question number 3 also you can do. Please read and you can follow the instructions what they have given. Question number 4. Draw a square ABCD. Now they have already given ABCD in your square rule exercise book. It should be a square. It means all 4 sides should be equal in length. By taking the length of 4 squares. By taking the length of 4 squares means you have to take the distance of 4 squares with the pair of compasses. With the pair of compasses. Distance will be same then. When you take like this, right. Take the distance between the point of the pair of compasses and the pencil point to be the 2 squares of the exercise. Now what you have to do is, now you have taken, then this is 4 squares, then the next one you are taking 2 squares. Then you have to keep the needle on the point A and you have to draw the circle. Again point B, draw the circle. Keep it on point C and draw the circle. And point D, then you can draw the circle. That is, you can do this exercise on your notebook, right? Okay. Now you can see several circle designs created by using pair of compasses and the pencils are shown below. Create these designs or some other circle designs using the pair of compasses and the pencil. Always you have to use pair of compasses and the pencil to create any kind of circular design. You can try this also. Right. Now I'm going to explain 3 parts of the circle. Center, radius and the diameter of a circle. Please turn to page 68. You can see radius of a circle. Now this is the circle, this is the center. From O to C, a radius. O to D, it's a radius. O to A, it's a radius. O to B is a radius. Now you can see another diagram they have given. Right. Now turn to page 69 and please underline the straight line segment joining the center of the circle to a point on the circle is called a radius. Please underline on your textbook. Right? Okay. The diameter of a circle. You can see they have given the diagram and here the center, the line, the straight line segment joining 2 points. Here 2 points A and B. Not only that, if you mark here 2 points, you can join like this. But remember, it should passes through the center. This is the center. Right? Okay. So A and B is the diameter of the circle. Please underline. Now you can see AB is the diameter of the circle. Any line, any straight line passes through the center is called a diameter. Now you can underline a straight line segment joining 2 points on the circle which passes through the center of the circle is called a diameter of the circle. Right? Okay. Then OB is the diameter of the circle. OA is the radius. OB is the radius. You can see. Now turn to page 670. Right. Now get back to page 69. From here to here, A to O distance and O to B distance are equal. O to A, O and OB, the distance are equal. Now if you take AO is 4 centimeters, then OB also 4 centimeters. Both the radius are equal. Now other thing, you can see AO plus OB is equal to AB. Now I will show you how can you take that. Now OA equals to OB. OA is equal to OB. Then OA plus OB equals to AB. OA plus OB is equal to AB. This is a radius, is also radius. When you add both, it is equal to AB. AB means a diameter. Remember, the diameter of a circle is twice its radius. Twice, 2 times. If you get 2 radius is equal to diameter. Now here you get 1 from here to here 1. Twice radius equal to diameter. Now page 70, exercise 18.2. Right. Do the following for the circle shown in the figure. Now here they have marked everything. They have drawn the line and they have named everything. So name the center of the circle. By looking at this, you have to name. That is for homework. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Now you know you have to take your ruler and the pair of compasses and you have to take 4 centimeters and draw the circle. After drawing the circle, name the center of the circle. Now here, name the center of the circle as O. Right? O. What is the distance here? 4 centimeters. And the point on the circle as X. You can write this as X. O is the center. This point is X. Here 4 centimeters. Produce XO until it meets the circle again at Y. So you have to keep the ruler straight. Then you produce this line until here and mark this as Y. Mark this as Y. Here I produce this line until here. Then Y. What is the next step? Write down the name used to define XY. Here X and Y. What is the name you are using to write X and Y? You have to write what is the name for X and Y. Measure the length of the XY and write down. Now I have taught you this is the radius. The diameter is twice its radius. So you have to measure X and Y. Yeah, now you know O and X equal 4 centimeters. Here 4 centimeters, here to here. Then here to here also 4 centimeters. Then you have to measure from here to here. Right? Okay. Then question number 3. Now that I am going to explain. Draw the straight line segment AB. AB is 3 centimeters. Now I have drawn a line that is AB. What is the distance? 3 centimeters. Draw 2 circles of radius 3 centimeters each. Now you are taking 3 centimeters and drawing the circle. 3 centimeters. Taking 3 centimeters and drawing the circle. Where do you keep the point? Needle of the Now I have already drawn 2 circles. What is the radius I have taken? 3 centimeters. What are the centers I have taken? A and B. I keep the needle on A and drawn a circle and keep on B and drawn a circle. Now I can see there are 2 circles. Can you see there are 2 circles I have drawn? Yes. Right. Then name the points of intersection of 2 circles P and Q. Now you can see there are 2 places it get intersection. We marked as P and Q. P and Q. Because both the circles get cut from here. Then the next step, measure the length of AP and BP. AP from here to here, AP and BP from here to here. Now you have to measure AP and BP. Join PA and produce it until it meets the circle at the center A again at R. Now join PA. PA produce it until it meets the circle. Now I am going to draw until here. Right? Okay. Now here I have to mention R because now I join PA. Again I extend that line until it meets the circle that I mark as R. What name is used to define the straight line PR? Now you have to You have idea what is the name of the PR. You can see PR passes through the center. Right. Okay. Now, question number 4 for homework. Question number 5, also homework. Question number 6, also homework. And 7, also homework. I will discuss all these questions with you next week. You have to try all these questions. If you have any doubt, please contact me, then I will explain again. I think you got an idea what is circle, how to draw circles, what are the parts of the circle, how can you construct circle